Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, we did experience a really strong outflow of cash for majority of the altcoins as Bitcoin was able to sustain a really strong support close to 96,500. Just to give you guys perspective, as long as Bitcoin's able to stay over the price of 96,000 and stay between 99, we're still in a demand zone. Therefore, the sentiments are still going to stay positive and higher chance of an uptrend. But if we do fall below the support close to 96, there is a chance that we might experience a little bit of a sell-off. On the other end, the massive breaking news: the strategic Bitcoin reserve bill has been officially passed in the House in the state of Utah. Just to give you perspective, Utah is pretty much the first state of America that was able to do this, and more to come. As simple as that. Democrats urge Republicans to work with them on Doge oversight. Doge is the department that our boy Elon is running, and they feel like if everyone works together to get it done, we can experience a better outcome. At the same time, Dogecoin whales make a huge move. Is Doge's price poisoned for a rally? And a lot of people are expecting this. And on the other end, 750 million Doge moved. What's about to happen with Musk and the US Treasury? Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. It will just help you stay up to date with the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just update the algorithm, push it there to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. They decide to buy into it. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I just want to show you guys the price action that Dogecoin has been following. One thing that is a little concerning: if Bitcoin decides to fall under the price of 96,000, where will Dogecoin be heading? Because if you do not know, right now the state at which we're sitting for Dogecoin is not really a strong support. It's just pretty much a support that has been tested once or twice before, so you can definitely not say this is going to be a really strong place where Dogecoin price will be able to hold still. Because if there is a little bit of a sell-off, a lot of traders are going to get liquidated because they are on a standby, and therefore there will be a strong pullback. Most likely the strongest support we will find for the Dogecoin price right now is close to 20 cents. Just to give you perspective, I am very optimistic about the Dogecoin price, but I'm just talking about the near-term future. In the long term, obviously the price is going to go up significantly, but I'm just talking about in terms of near term, there will be a little bit of an experience of a pullback if we do see Bitcoin doing a little bit worse. Talking about the open interest, that's the part which is a little scary. Now we're sitting close to 1.1 billion. It's slowly starting to scoop towards the point where it might actually fall under 1 billion, and therefore long to the short ratio is still in the favor of long traders, as both of them are leaving around the same rate. One thing that is important for you to understand is, let's just say if the long traders are deciding to hold for the long time, this is not bad. If the open interest goes down a little bit, it's definitely not concerning, due to the fact that maybe it's better because the market will become a little less volatile and also less explosive. If there is a little bit of a pullback, not a lot of traders are going to get liquidated, and therefore there will be a little bit lower momentum and easier to recover type of price momentum. So that should give you perspective that maybe open interest going down a little bit is not the worst thing on the planet. On the other end, Utah has done something that every single state has been saying. Finally, the bill has been passed, which says that the Bitcoin reserve or strategic Bitcoin reserve will be going through very soon. And as Utah is able to do this, definitely a lot more states will be getting into this as soon as possible. And video, now this was really interesting because you guys know Democrats and Republicans in America do not like to work together, but what Doge has been able to do in just the first 2 or 3 weeks is incredible. Being able to cut down so much spending for the American government, they want to involve, and it also brings up a lot of concerns in terms of how well it's going to be doing and also what they're going to be doing. So they just want more people to be able to have help and also more Republicans and Democrats working together, so they're able to pretty much provide the best for the government. And Dogecoin whales make a huge move. I mean, large investors bought 750 million Dogecoin during the recent dip, potentially settling the stage for the price rebound. While some analysts expect the price to further drop to 17 cents, historical trends suggest that the possibility of another explosive bull run for Dogecoin is in the coming months. Now, that's definitely going to happen. Let me give you perspective. As Dogecoin price is going to climb up, there will definitely be more explosive results that we will be seeing, and that's exactly how Dogecoin likes to move. It does not like to have a slow growth. It's rather just a little bit of a consolidation and then an explosive growth. As long as we're able to just sustain the price and not fall all the way down to 17 cents as a lot of people are expecting. On the other end, Wisdom Tree, Bitwise, 21 shares, XRP ETF filed CBO. Now, this is an XRP ETF. Just to give you perspective, they want to get this settled with as soon as possible. Why is this a big deal? Because I want to talk about how it's so interesting that there is so many companies around the world now, such as Wisdom Tree, Bitwise, 21 shares. They're all trying to get more ETFs released for crypto. I'm not just talking about XRP. In general, so many companies are trying to get ETF for Dogecoin, ETF for Solana, ETF for XRP. This is very good for the entire crypto market because the amount of money that will be flowing through. And that's not the only company. I mean, 100 billion asset manager, Renark, predicts Solana price will end at $520 just by the end of the year. That's nearly triple where we are sitting right now, 2.5x. And FDIC plans to revive crypto guideline and allow banks to engage in crypto activities. So you can see that crypto is definitely getting attention or attraction in the right way. And Whale seized the opportunity during the recent dip, buying 500 million XRP. And as long as Dogecoin holds above the price of 19 cents, the setup for parabolic rally towards $10 remains strong. Now, do I agree with this? Now, $10 seems a little bit far-fetched. If you tell me closer to $1, I will be able to believe it. Yes, I understand that the indicators are suggesting that, but what's not suggesting that is the market cap. The market cap would become very unrealistic and most likely won't be able to make it to $10. And Whale seized the opportunity during the recent and bought 750 million, as I just mentioned. And Brazil's sees surge in crypto use, says 90% of the flow tied to stable coins. I mean, Brazil's economy right now is a little bit unstable, so I'm guessing the people of the country are trying to find different ways to be able to do trades, and stable coins is definitely one of the easiest way to change that. And Trump media set to launch Bitcoin ETF under True.fi. Now, even Trump is getting involved with the ETF, and that's exactly what I'm talking about. The amount of money that will flow into the crypto market is going to be a lot. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.